Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. Welcome to Backspace. In this easy and practical tutorial, we will learn how to adjust the brightness and contrast of a picture in Microsoft Word to make your image look clear, sharper and more professional. Sometimes pictures appear too dark, too bright or low contrast inside your document. Instead of editing them in another software, you can quickly fix them directly inside Word. This video shows you the exact step to enhance image quality without damaging layout or resolution. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now we can see here a blank page, then we go to this page. Then go to the insert menu, click the picture option, then choose picture from our file. Now I select the mountain image. Then select the image, go to the format menu. We can see here many options. Now I firstly resize the image, go to the wrap text drop down menu, choose in front of text. Then select the image obviously, then go to the format menu. Then we can see here the correction. Here the picture is sharpened, softened, brightness. You can change the color. Otherwise you can change the effect of this picture. You can make the picture more than brighten. Otherwise you can make the picture some light, etc. We can see here the picture correction. Here the sharpness, you can change this. Otherwise you can increase the brightness or decrease the brightness. You can change the contrast of the picture. Now we can see we change the contrast and brightness of this picture easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.